Welcome back in paradise. Well, my intention today is to do a bit of work on that Range Rover Sport, but I've been waiting here now for over an hour. Grant, I don't know where the hell he's gone. He hasn't turned up here. I don't know where the parts are for the Range Rover, so and I've got to go for a COVID jab, so I'm not going to do anything today. But what was mentioned in someone dropped a comment month, 2 months ago on one of the other videos about have a look at the other cars in the shop. So yeah, figured we'd do that, and we'll do a bit of an update on the Rangy Classic as well. So I'll spin you around, I'll walk you around the workshop, show you what's got here. It's not a lot interesting, a few nice bits and bobs, but nothing that I consider fantastic, but you lot might be interested in it, and some of it will be future videos as well, I expect. I'll spin you around, we'll have a walkabout. Right, first one, Nissan Skyline. It's been tuned to about 5 million brake horsepower. It's in for like a partial restoration. It's been in this state for probably 2 years or more. All the suspension is out of it. It was all a bit ripe underneath. I think that's why it's been done. The back axle is over on the bench over there. There's a pickup bed of a Toyota Hilux there, which is actually for somebody else, but they haven't come and picked it up. It's a Toyota Hilux, which is undergoing a bit of a rebuild. Mazda MX-5. I think that's a customer's car that's having a bit of bodywork done. There's a Porsche there. Now if I can find the pictures, I will add them onto this. So that when that first came in here, it's been an accident, was on its side, and this whole side was completely wiped out. And the roof as well. It's all been repaired. Basically it just needs spraying and putting back together. But it's sat like that now for the last God knows how long. Over here we've got a Merc SL. That's in for a full respray. It's not a V8 one, it's just a 4-cylinder one. It's a left-hand drive. We've got the Riley, looking a bit sorry for itself. I want to get started on that. Garbage. Bloody old Nissan pile of shit. Another Toyota Hilux. Another MX-5, it's having rear quarters, arches and some welding underneath at the back. I'll have to walk around this way now. There's a few cars that have gone from here now. There was where the MX-5 is there. There was a Honda piece of shit there that the engine was knackered in. I've got this Range Rover Sport. I've got to sort out the door and an exhaust leak. The body may have to come off this. That door handle's all missing. I was going to do this today, but I don't know where the parts are, so that's not getting done today. There's a Golf. Not really my cup of tea, that. I don't think there's anything wrong with that apart from a seized brake caliper. I think that's all it wants. I think it's quite low mileage as well. Load of gym equipment, if you're into that kind of thing. I'm not. And round here, this is the ramp where the Range Rover Classic was on. It's got the MX-5 on it now. And we're back to the Hilux. So that is it. Right, we'll pop outside and we'll do a walk around of the Range Rover Classic. Oh, another VW Transporter there. That's in for paintwork, as you can see. And another VW Transporter that's having paintwork. And a Suzuki Swift. And there is the Classic. Headlining is back in. Side wind is back in. Front screen is back in. And if I stand on the tyre, we'll have a look at the roof, because I didn't see that last week, oh, the week before, sorry, when it was being painted. Yeah, the roofing gloss black. Coming together, looking good. And over in here now, he started on the doors now. There's one of the doors there, and a tailgate. At some point I've got to fit an alarm to that and a reversing camera. Not sure when that's going to be, but there will be video on that. By that time I expect the car will be mostly back together, I expect. Yeah, all looking rather good now. So that's it really. My intention was to do the Range Rover Sport. It's not going to happen now, because I don't know where the parts are. Grant's not here. In fact, Grant has just turned up. Let's go and see him.
What are you up to now?
Grantley boy!
What's happening, Sam?
How are you?
Not bad. What are you doing then?
Oh, just filming you, Grant. Right, so that's that then. Next week I will be on the red Range Rover Sport. I get the door handle sorted out and the exhaust blow. I'm hoping the body doesn't have to come off it, but it might have to, but we'll see. So that's for next week, so there'll be a video on that. Grant mentioned something else, can't remember what. He wants to get the engine out of the Riley pretty soon and see if that's savable. He's back now working on a Range Rover Classic, sorting the doors out, so by next week, depending on how much he's got done, there'll be an update on that. That's about it for now really. See what happens, see what comes in during the week. There might be other stuff, I don't know yet, but I'll try and keep the content coming. So it all depends on the work that I've got. So until next time, look after yourselves. I'll see you soon.